Hi everybody, it's just a quick message to let you know that .NET 9 is now available on both Red Hat Enterprise Linux and OpenShift on Power. This blog from Tom shows some of the new features and also how to install .NET. So first of all, I'm just going to install .NET in a Red Hat Enterprise Linux environment, and to do that we use the DNF install command. You can see we're actually installing the SDK here. So now we have .NET 7, .NET 8 and .NET 9 all available on IBM Power PPC64LE. Now we've done that, we can just confirm using the .NET version command, and we can see that .NET 9 is installed. The next part, we will install a container. We run a container using the Universal Base Image 8 and a .NET 9 image, and we just ask it to tell us what version that is. Here we go, running the Podman command, and there you go, it started and returned version 9. So there we have it. We have Red Hat Enterprise Linux and a containerized version of .NET 9 working on IBM Power PPC64LE. Have a great day, Al.